Hello and welcome to another Diecast Vehicles unboxing video. I went to Bus Fest in Gaydon and I bought myself a new bus which is called a Britbus Park Royal NBC Maidstone District and Atlantean double-decker bus from Britbus. Item number AN1/27. It's 1/76 scale. It's made in China. Just there. It's very good, I suppose. That's that. Let's take it out. Show you. And here is the model bus, which is outside of its box. It's the bus number 101 to Maidstone. Yeah, to Maidstone. Via road chart something. Fleet number is 5737 and registration number is KPJ 264W. And also, if we look at the back, we see that it's got a open bonnet at the back. You can't see. Look, the engine's inside. Looks so amazing. And as well as the model itself, there is a Britbus collector's card here. And it says that, for Britbus, it says that this is to certify that this is a limited edition model from a total production of 600 pieces. This model, number 235. And that's that. And the model bus name is called Compo, after that's some wine. And Maidstone District has got the buses, which is from some wine. And that's that. Well, thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy the next video. So see you later. Bye.